the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, this is Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on SwftCoin. So, I'm making a video for a member because I want to explain what I mean when I say the RSI and the stock RSI is reset. So, I mean, I need to find a pairing that actually has more. There we go. Does this have more history? Yeah, it does. So, the RSI and the stock RSI shows when a coin is basically oversold and overbought. So I guess this is a kind of a good example for SwftCoin, but like I wish I could show you in another video too. But oh wait, you know what? This isn't the right pairing actually. Nope. Okay, I guess we could use this. So when I mean that the RSI is oversold and overbought, you can see that when we're in the green, which is anything above this line, we're most likely at a top. Okay, so over here, here, and then like when we're bullish, we're obviously making higher highs and higher lows, and when we're in a bear market, we're making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so that's how you kind of know when we're in a bull run or not. So for instance, when I say the RSI is overbought here, most likely we're going to have some sort of correction, right? How far the correction, I don't know. And keep in mind that sometimes it does hang out over here and make that higher high, and basically that's when people miss out on those like really big gains. But when I'm saying bullish and RSI is overbought, every single time we have a correction, right? We have a correction. When it's in, I personally like buying coins when they're in the red, because that normally marks a bottom, like in the short term, and maybe the bull run will start for it, and then I'll catch the bottom, right? So for example, let's just go back here. If you had bought here, you would have been, in the green 131%. But keep in mind, we did fall again, right? But you're minimizing your risk. You're not just buying blindly, right? So you wouldn't be buying like anywhere here. You would be buying here, and you would probably only be down 30% for the next bounce, right? So I hope I'm explaining that pretty well. So from this high, right, to this low, you can see we made a higher low, okay? But when we hit oversold, we then bounced, from here to the next time it was overbought, 220%. So again, like for example, here we went up, here we didn't. We went up, but then we made a lower low. But then we started our bull run. So I guess it kind of doesn't count. So what I'm trying to say is don't buy in the green, and you really want to accumulate when it's in the red, because no matter if it's long term or short term, you'll still be up. Like for example, I guess let me just show you this coin because I've been in it for a long time, even though it's done terribly. This is a prime example, right? So this coin, like so this time it was in the red, right? It marked the bottom, and then we went up, right? So we went up all the way here. And here we went up here we went up here, and again in the long term you still made lower lows because we're in a bear market even here, but we're still making lower lows. But now we're in a bull market, right? So we're going to be making higher lows, and we're making higher highs, right? So again, higher highs, higher lows, and then when the RSI is oversold, that means that there's barely any selling pressure anymore. So that's why, for example, with this coin, I actually bought some because I want to catch that little bit, and then I'm not a trader, but again, I've seen this so much where I can make like a couple $100 if you buy here, and then again, coins like to technically come back from the previous high and tag either the 236, which it's at almost, or the 382, and then still fall off the table. So, but still, if you think about it, that's still around a 25% gain. So, put in $1,000, $250. Again, I'm not a trader, but I actually did it this time because I'm like, let me see if I can make some extra money on this trade. So the stock RSI it's just basically the momentum. So basically, when it's up here, it needs to reset, and when it's down here, it's max bearish. So it'll be at its low. So for example, here it was at its low. Here it was at its low before we kind of had a shift of momentum and we went up. And again, these moves up are pretty high. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that makes sense for you with SwftCoin. Again, we're still maintaining every single level for SwftCoin, so there doesn't need to be an update video. We're just consolidating. But anyway, I hope that makes sense. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you in the next video.